Alright, so if you watched my last video, you know that some inconsiderate that was raised by wolves smashed a quarter-sized ding in my front driver's side fender and did not leave a note, nothing, just left. Probably looked around for a minute because they had to have known they did it, looked around and said, no one saw me, I'm gonna just leave. I'm not gonna leave a note. Oh my goodness, no. That would make way too much sense. See, here's how I look at it. If someone can do that, someone can smash your car like that, know they did it, look at it and go, oh my gosh, I just did that to that person's car, and not stop and leave a note, that means that this goes all the way back to upbringing. It goes back to childhood. It goes back to poignant times in their life where their parents screwed up, or they tried and it didn't stick, and this person's just messed up in the head, and it has been since they came into the world. But I'll tell you, as a public service announcement, everybody out there, if you do that, if you hit somebody's car, look, leave a note. Leave a note. Frankly, had the person left a note and said, look, I don't have any money, I'm leaving you a note to say I'm sorry, looks like you might have some money, so you know, I'm going to leave this one up to you, I would almost think, well, at least the person had the guts to stop and write a note. But they wrote nothing. They just left. I literally looked around, realized they were going to get away with it, and then left. So, blows my mind. Anyways, I don't know why I'm digressing. I'm going down that road. I'm going to get my car fixed, which is awesome. And this gentleman, Johnny, who was referred to me, is apparently the Picasso of fixing door dings like this. And I told him what it was, what was wrong with it, sent him a picture, and he said, you know, it's probably going to be 125 to 150 bucks. And I said, dude, this is your day off. I'll give you 200 and just get this sucker fixed, and so I can get my head around this and not think about it anymore, because it's bothering me. I'm leaving town tomorrow on an airplane. I won't have any time to get it fixed this week, so getting it done today means a lot to me that this guy is willing to work today. And I'll just say, anytime someone's willing to, you know, go on their day off, take time to solve your problem, look, take care of them. I'm going to take care of this guy financially for doing so. And also, I'm going to video this, so here's the video. Actually, here's the video of the actual repair taking place and the outcome. I mean, why wouldn't I video this, right? If we could video Picasso painting, we would, but we didn't. So I'm going to video this guy fixing my car. So I'll give you the information. If you live in the Orange County, California area, you're going to need to call this gentleman and get your car fixed by him if you run into the same ass that hit my car. Haha. Okay, so showed up to the gym where Johnny is going to work on my dent, and we're hunting for a power outlet, which I think he's... See, that's people yelling at my car because it's so awesome, even though it has a huge dent in it. So we found an outlet by an ATM.
A stiff drink and a few shots later, I don't care, I really don't care. You hanging up seems a little unfair, but I don't mind. You see things sometimes. We haven't talked for a couple of days. You don't care, I can see you ain't there.
So we gotta go to his house because didn't have the right tool to get to this humongous pain in the dent. Alright, so here's the reveal. Check this out. Like brand new. Cannot even tell. Look at that. It's like it never happened. Unbelievable. Makes me want to go out and get another one. Not really. Alright. So Johnny, say hi to everybody with Indepen. What's your phone number?
951-415-6445.
Give this dude a shot. He's amazing. Literally Picasso. And he wanted to keep working on it. Incredible. Thanks for working on Memorial Day. And I want to thank you with a $100 tip. It's $300, man.
Jeez,
thanks, brother.
Wow. Really?
You're a great guy, man. Thanks for what? 2.5, 3 hours? I mean, geez, almost 3. Actually, about 3.5 hours. He worked meticulously on a holiday.
Yeah,
so,
very generous. Really appreciate that.
I appreciate you. All right, thanks. Woo!